Hey friends, it's Lisa Jones with 31 and I wanted to show a new product today. This is our Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited. So it's been elevated from our traditional Organizing Shoulder Bag. This one is in a premium faux leather. It does have a completely adjustable crossbody strap. You can certainly shorten this and wear it as a regular shoulder bag. This bag has a front outside pocket, goes all the way down. On the back side, you have a hidden cell phone pocket here. And I just love this black and white plaid. It is so pretty for fall. It does completely zip closed. On the inside, there are two flat pockets and a zipper pocket. But I wanted to show you because it looks on the smaller side, but I wanted you to see how roomy this actually is. Inside here, I have an All About the Benjamin wallet, and I also have a Ruby Mini, and I like to keep the Ruby Mini full of all those little things that usually float around in my bag, so it keeps me more organized. Your chapstick, your lip gloss, your hand sanitizer, lotion, maybe medication, all those kind of things. So I just wanted to kind of show you size-wise on the Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited Edition. It does come in 3 different fabrics.